In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Figma. Figma is an incredibly powerful tool for design and prototyping, and one of the simplest yet most effective ways to customize your workspace or design presentation is by changing the background color of your canvas. This isn't just about aesthetics, it can help with visual organization, improve readability for certain design elements, or simply match your personal preference or project branding. Let's dive in and make your Figma experience more tailored to your needs. First things first, you'll need to open Figma. Whether you're using the desktop application or accessing it through your web browser, navigate to your desired design file. If you're starting a new project, simply open a new design file, and you'll be greeted with a fresh, blank canvas. Ensure you're looking at your main design workspace where your frames and elements reside. You should typically see your artboard or a default gray checkerboard pattern representing your working area. This is the foundation upon which we'll be making our color adjustments, so ensure you have a project open and ready. Once you're in your Figma file, turn your attention to the right-hand panel of the interface. This panel, often referred to as the Inspector or Properties panel, is where you'll find all the settings for selected objects, or in our case, the page itself. You want to make sure no specific design element, frame, or component is currently selected on your canvas. If anything is highlighted, simply click on an empty area of your canvas to deselect everything. This is a crucial step because if an object is selected, the right panel will show its properties instead of the page's background settings. Once everything is deselected, you should clearly see a section titled Page within this right panel. Underneath the page heading, you will find a property labeled Fill. This Fill property is precisely what controls the background color of your entire canvas. Now, to change the color, simply click on the small color swatch located right next to the Fill label. This action will immediately open up Figma's versatile color picker tool. Inside the color picker, you have several intuitive options to choose your desired hue. You can visually select a color by dragging the circular selector around the color spectrum, or use the sliders for more precise control over hue, saturation, and lightness. If you have a specific color code in mind, such as a hexadecimal value or RGB numbers for brand consistency or a design system, you can directly input them into the respective fields provided within the color picker. Figma also allows you to save colors to your document's style library for quick access later, which is a great tip for maintaining a consistent color palette across all your projects. As soon as you select a new color, you'll instantly see your canvas background transform, providing immediate visual feedback. Experiment until you find the perfect background for your design or simply a color that makes your work pop. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the background color in Figma. This simple adjustment can significantly impact how you perceive and interact with your designs, offering a more organized and personalized design environment. Keep exploring Figma's features to unlock its full potential for all your creative projects.